Here's 5 ways to make money with hydroponics without selling any plants. Now, if you've ever grown plants, especially like off-grid hydroponics, believe it or not, there's a lot of people out there that don't know about it and are interested in it. And that leaves open a huge opportunity for people like you that's been doing it to make a little bit of extra income. Now, if you've grown any of the plants and you thought, I'd like to go ahead and sell some, that's cool. You can do it on a small scale, but if you want to scale up or do it as a business, that's really tough. I mean, I looked into it and I have a huge admiration for people that do it. First off, you got to be like an expert. You got to have like 2 green thumbs, because if you don't have a great product, the competition is going to come in and put you out of business, right? With a better product. You got to have great customer service. There's regulations you got to look to get set up. And once you even get set up and you have all your business established, you have to deal with the weather and pests. You don't want to go up to the farmer's market with plants that are covered with aphids, right? There's disease, and you might come out and half your crop is messed up, and the restaurant owner who was depending on your microgreens and your herbs and that this week, it's not there, and then your competition has it. So there's all kinds of things to consider. And the other thing is, once you sell the plants, you've got to grow some more, and then you sell them and you grow some more. So I've got a better way. And I started another channel. It's called Make Money Old School, because people like me, my age, boomers, Gen X, we used to try to make a little extra money, and we do, like I said, we're scrappy. We do things like deliver newspapers and mowing lawns and painting a house, and deliver newspapers and just all kinds of crazy stuff, just to make a couple extra bucks. And now kids nowadays are like getting $1,000 for posting on Instagram. It's just crazy. So there's a huge amount of opportunity out there. It's just we have to change our thinking and just realize that there is that amount of opportunity, and that it's open for everyone, and not just let the little kids have it. So that channel is going to teach people my age how to actually make money online. And it's not going to be like anything for us all to get rich, but it's to earn a good, substantial extra income that can carry us through tough times. And it might even translate into something that you want to do full-time afterwards too. So we're going to talk about 5 things. The first 3 I covered in the live stream from last week. So if you watch that live stream, you can skip ahead to number 4. That's something new. And then number 5 is going to tie everything together. But number 1, you can always start with digital products. And that's like my ebook. I'll leave a little link to the video up here. And I talked about it last week, so I'm not going to go into that in detail. You can go check out this video. But I said you could take my ebook, you could change it up, make it your own, take my ugly mug off, put your pretty picture on there, take pictures of what you're growing, change the words up, make the story your own. We went through a lot of things where you could take that. And the beauty of it is that once you do that one time, that you can sell it over and over. Unlike the plant, you can sell it again, sell it again. You don't have to like grow another plant or grow another book or write another book. It's something you can just keep selling from here to eternity and keep making money at it. You can always take it and you can just update it too next year or the year after and sell that. So it's awesome. On that channel, we're going to talk about strategies on how to sell it, where it's not actually selling. You're saving people time, energy, money, and you're going to feel like you're helping people instead of selling them. So it's an awesome opportunity that's out there. It just kind of blew my mind, because when we're growing up, if we had to try and reach people, we'd have to stuff a bunch of envelopes, lick stamps, take a big stack of letters up to the post office and get back a couple of responses and hope to make a sale. And now with the internet, we can connect with people all around the world. You can sell digital products like that to people all over the world and keep doing it over and over and over. So it's a fantastic little thing. I get really excited about it. And like I said on that other channel, Making Money Old School, I'll put the link down in the description. Make sure you go over to that channel and sign up, because that's where we're going to be going into detail on how to take these things and sell them. On the same page as that, number 2 is another digital product. Is actually an online course, and basically it's like the ebook, except it's in video form, and you just go ahead and make a small course. You don't have to be an expert. You just need to know a little bit more than somebody else, And when they come on YouTube, they go searching for stuff. Sometimes they go down a rabbit hole and they see 400 different people giving them 400 different opinions, and they get all confused and don't know where to start. You can tell them that, you know, take your course, that within a few hours you're going to know just how to do this, and then you won't be confused and you won't be distracted by cat videos. So that's just another thing that we're going to go into, like different strategies how you can get that out too. And if you guys have been on my channel, you know I don't push these things all the time. I just make it available down in the description, and people find it because they're wanting more information, because you're going over and showing them how you're doing things and they're interested in it, so they go looking around. So it's not really selling, and in the end it's helping a lot of people out. So it's fantastic little system. Number 3 is being an affiliate for like bigger companies. And if you've been around YouTube a while, you've heard people say, hey, go check out, you know, this company or that company, or click the link in the description and, you know, I'll make a small commission off of it. And basically it's big companies, you promote their products, if people click on it and they purchase it, you make a little commission. Now you don't make a lot, but the upside is you don't have to handle any products, you don't have to make anything, you don't have to ship anything, you don't have to handle any customer service. All you're doing is promoting the product, and when people buy it, you make a little bit of extra income. So these things together, nothing's going to make you rich. We're not selling a $1,000 course or anything, or using the ebook as a lead magnet to try and pull people in and sell them a $1,000 course. We're just being honest and saying we're going to save you time, money. You know, it's not going to cost you a lot, and after you do this, you know, a couple of bucks or a little time, you're going to be an expert and know how to grow your own food with off-grid hydroponics. So, like I said, those are discussed on another channel. Make sure y'all get over there. It's small right now. I think we've got about 82 people in there right now, and so I can give a lot more attention to people. The online course and ebook, if you guys are go-getters and you know how to edit things and you're familiar with things that go on with the internet, you can go ahead and get those. I put them together. That's usually $9.99 a piece. I put them together for $9.99, so it's like buy one get one free. You can get the ebook and the online course together. I got a link for that. That's a bundle. But if you need a little bit of help, and there's other surprises that we got over there that will blow your mind. I'm giving away all my content for free if you need all of that and that help. There's another bundle where we have all of that together. That's linked down below too. So if you need a little more special attention, make sure you get the bigger bundle, and check out that other channel and it'll all be explained over there. Number 4 is you can make and sell your own physical products. Now this, believe it or not, I started this channel with this from the Dollar Tree. It's $1, and these videos are still up on YouTube, and I still get people asking, where do you get that green container, where can I get some? And unfortunately Dollar Tree quit selling these years ago. They started selling red, blue, and black and different colors. But when I first started, I started with this. And when I knew they weren't selling anymore, when people were asking me for them all over, and I got the last little bunch of mine, I kept a couple so I can remember where I came from and how it all started. But that just goes to show that the stuff's evergreen, right? That you put videos up there. I've got videos from like 5 years ago and people are still asking questions about it. So you go ahead and spend a little time, you make a video, a 10-minute, 20, 30-minute video, whatever, and you put it up, but it's there like in perpetuity, and people keep finding it and they keep asking you about products. So this is all about putting a little bit of work up front, and that's what we talk about on that channel, but this stuff stays out there and it keeps making you money. So another thing is, you know, we were making the downspouts, and I quit making physical products about 2 months ago, and I still make some of the resin end caps, but basically I'm spending more time. Everybody was asking me about the online course and the ebook, and how can I make my own, and how can I market it, and how are you doing it? And so I just thought that this would help a lot of people. You know, we're helping people grow their food. We can't feed the world, but we can teach the world how to feed itself. And I was thinking, instead of just reaching people who are like desperate, you know, who are trying to decide if they're going to get medicine or groceries, you know, that's just heartbreaking. You know, what if people had enough money and they could just grow out of the joy of it, or wanting to know where the food comes from, or experimenting with different things and not doing it out of desperation. So I hope this helps a lot of people. And I made products that I thought were easy for people to make, that people with minimal skills and minimal tools could make them. And then some other people around the internet, when I stopped making it, other people are making downspouts. There's a lot of you out there have been emailing me and commenting and asking me when I'm going to be making downspouts again, when I'm going to be making the molds, when I'm going to be making things. But I've noticed a lot of people, and maybe I'll do a video on this and I'll introduce you to a lot of the people. They're making end caps, making downspouts. I'll show you where they're at. I can't introduce you to them. I don't know them. I just see that it's being done. And to me, that's just a fantastic thing. You know, people might get jealous, like, oh, they took my idea on that. But I get excited because they're showing somebody else how to grow their food. And then they're going to be doing something in their house. Their friends and family are going to come over and go, what's that? And they're going to explain it, and somebody else is going to learn. Somebody else is going to learn. So if you just want to be part of this movement where we're trying to spread the word, and it's all about just being good and helping each other and not worry about me, and they stole my idea. That's why I'm giving you my ebook. Change it around, make it your own. My online course, you can copy it, make your own online course. Thinkific is a program, a platform where you can upload your course for free and host it, and when somebody buys it, you make all of that money. There's other paid features like me manually enrolling people and the affiliate program that I have to pay for. But as far as you just uploading a course and just selling it, they've got a free version of that, so you can do that for free. I can show you how to make your own. You can sell my course. Everybody who buys the course and the ebook for $9.99, the bundle, or the bigger course, I think it was 70% off, makes it about $29, where you get all that personalized help. I put you in as an affiliate, and you make 90%. So where most of the other affiliate programs are giving you like 4, 10%, 20%, I'm giving our affiliates 90%. You know, I'm taking a little bit for administrative costs for paying for the website. But other than that, you can sell it and you can make the money. It's just fantastic. There's so many ways that you can make a little bit of extra income. It gets me excited. I try to tell people when we're on YouTube, you can also make money on AdSense on YouTube. And when I made my first 25 cents, I called my wife in and showed her, and she was like, you know, wow, we're rich. But I told her, no, that just proved to me that it's possible. You know, I didn't know we could do this. You know, I'm an old guy, and I was like, what, you can make money on YouTube? And when I saw that, that proved it's possible in my mind. And then I thought, now all I have to do is scale it. So I want you guys to take these ideas, whether you do this or not, or try something else, or if you take this, or if you make an ebook on knitting or baking a cookie or whatever you do, right? That people out there want information now. They don't want to go to school somewhere and spend a lot of money and spend a lot of time. They want to get on here and know like that. And if you can do it that quick, you're saving them time and money. So there's all kinds of fantastic things we can do. And that takes us to number 5, which is each one of you, if you're doing anything that you feel other people would like to do, you need to have a YouTube channel. And that's where you can tie all this in together. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I don't push products, I don't sell things. Once in a while, I just mention, you know, in my videos, I say links down in the description. And people, you bring them value, and sooner or later, they want to know more. They go hunting for the answer. They go looking, and they'll see the links, and they'll go over, oh, here's a course, I'll take that. That saves me time. I'm not going to go down a rabbit hole and spend 48 hours on YouTube. I'm going to go spend a couple of hours and get the same information. They'll see your ebook and stuff. So YouTube, there's a lot of different things that you can monetize on there. But if you start it, you know, in the beginning and think you're bringing people value, then you can build something. This isn't a get rich quick scheme. It's not we're going to make $1 million overnight. It's something where you can go and you can connect with people. You can bring people value. We can all come together, help each other out. We're trying to make the world a better place. And in the meantime, we can all rest a little easier because we're a little more self-sufficient. We're growing some of our own food. We're making some of our own money. We're providing for our families. And I hope that helps. You guys, like I said, check out that other channel. I'm going to have more videos. Right now it's like close to 100 degrees outside. People don't feel like gardening too much, but maybe we can take this time to learn how to do some of these other things. Like I said, You know, the kids are out there making a lot of money at it. They all want to do it. Kids want to be YouTubers and everything. And the reason why is there's a huge opportunity. It's just a lot of them don't understand it. And they just get out there and just want to put up a video and monetize and try to get money. If you realize that thing is bigger than all of us, that we're trying to make the world a better place, and at the same time, you know, we can help ourselves and help others, it's a fantastic opportunity. Like I said, we'll talk about that on another channel, and I'll be glad to have you there. Like I said, you know, over here, we grow off-grid hydroponics. I made 200 videos. There's only so much we can do to show you to get a plant, put it in a nutrient solution, you know, different plants that we grow. So I figured, you know, people were asking the other questions and they need help. This would be another great way to help people out. So I sure do hope it helps you. And if not, pass it on to someone that you think it would help. All right, you guys get out there. Let's make this world a better place. Live to inspire. Keep on growing. Be the change. We'll catch you next time.